Today, I will be giving you a brief overview on how to use Course Schedule Planner. Course Schedule Planner is a program that Rutgers University offers its students to allow them to build a schedule. You can access Course Schedule Planner by going to sims.rutgers.edu/CSP. Once there, you will be prompted to log in with your NetID and password, which I have already done. And this is your dashboard. On the dashboard, you have three options. You can build a schedule, view saved schedules if you have been here previously, or view course catalog and wish list. Today, we will be building a fall 2017 schedule. Once I select a semester, I will be brought to this screen. The first thing that you will want to do is switch the campus. I am selecting Newark campus as I am a Rutgers Newark student. Secondly, I want to confirm that this says undergraduate. And lastly, there will be select a subject area. This will list all subject areas offered at Rutgers University Newark. First, I will be adding my very first course for fall 2017, which is English Composition. So I select English Composition and I hit the search button. Once hitting the search button, all courses offered in English Composition will be listed for fall 2017. I want to find the English Composition course that I wish to take next semester, which is here, English Composition 2. If I look across, I will see that there are 10 sections open, 10 sections closed, and there is also a prerequisite of English 101. I have previously taken English 101, so I will hit this plus sign to add it to the courses that I wish to enroll in. You will do the same for all courses that you wish to take for fall 2017. Once you have selected all the courses that you wish to take for fall 2017, you have two options. You can either hit Build Schedule, and it will include all open sections, or you can select sections, at which point you can deselect any courses that you truly do not wish to take. And you would simply do that by unchecking. Then you would hit Build Schedules. On this screen, I am being shown all possible combinations for the courses that I indicated I wish to take for fall 2017. This is one possible schedule. If I hit the next button, I will get another possible schedule. If I hit another, and another, and another. Once I see one that I like, I can simply name it and save it. I can continue to browse for another possible combination, and I can save that choice as well. I want to take a moment to note the legend at the bottom. Should I have seen a course that had red dotted lines all around it, that would indicate that that course is closed and I cannot register for it. However, there were no other choices. If I see black dotted lines around a course, that means that I have already registered for that course. Once you have saved all of the versions of your schedule that you like, you can then select this Saved Schedule tab at the top to take a look at your choices. Had I had more than two, all of them would have been listed here. You can then go to the schedule of your choice and hit the Register button. By hitting the Register button, you will be redirected to WebReg. There you will select Fall 2017, all the index numbers will show up for that particular choice, and you can hit Enroll, and you will be enrolled in those classes. Should any error arise, such as a prerequisite or a course being closed, you will be given that error message at that time. Should that be the case, you can then return to Course Schedule Planner and select one of your other choices. Please note, I have used the Fall 2017 schedule. However, Course Schedule Planner may be used in the same way for any semester. Thank you for tuning in to this brief overview of Course Schedule Planner. Should you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact your academic advisor.